good? It's your boy Joneses, and welcome back to my channel once again. And as always, y'all know I'm coming through with some heat. Now look, I just want to say thank you real quick because we got to 300 subs and it was insanely fast. Like I'm so surprised at how fast we got to 300 subs, and I appreciate it because you guys know I started my giveaway at 200 subs. So we're at 300 now, and I don't even think it's been a month. So I appreciate everyone that subbed to my channel, and the giveaway is still live. So it's live until the 2nd. If you want to enter, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and then DM me a screenshot of you subscribe with post notifications on to me on Instagram or Twitter. My handles for both of those are Joneses, the same as my YouTube channel. And then after you're done, leave a comment in the comment section of a shoe and size. There will be 3 winners for the giveaway. One winner will win a pair of shoes. The second winner will win a $100 Visa gift card. And the third winner will win a Joneses shirt. And if you've seen my videos before, you see I rock one of the Joneses off-white belt shirts is what I like to call them. And if you haven't, go back to some of my recent videos and check out the Joneses shirt. You'll see me wearing it. It says Joneses in the middle. I think they're pretty dope, and a lot of people said they're pretty dope, so go check it out. But anyways, as always, y'all know I got some heat, and today this is a great video because I'm so excited for this shoe. You see, back when I first was like thinking about getting into shoes and stuff, not even thinking about it, like I used to always, when I was younger, think about shoes that I could never get because I never had the money to get them. And this shoe was a pair that I wanted, and I've always wanted this shoe, and I finally got it. And it's not a super hype shoe. Like well, let me rephrase that. It's probably one of the most hyped Jordans of all time. It is a Jordan. It's probably one of the most hyped of all time, but it's not one of those shoes that's like an off-white or anything like that. Like this shoe released a lot, and a lot of people have it, and they came out with a lot of pairs. So yeah, let's get into it. Let me bring it in. So some of you might know what this box is. There's 2 shoes this could be. This is a Jordan 11, and y'all just listen, I'm so excited. And real quick, if you haven't already, drop a like and hit that sub button for your boy, because you know we need those subs. We're trying to get monetized once again. So like I said, hit that sub button. But these shoes are just these are sick, and it's Jordan 11. Some of y'all might be able to guess what it is. If you know me, you know exactly what 11 this is. But let's go ahead and open up the box. So, well, first, let's go through the box. Size 10, y'all know my size. And you see we got the Jordan 11 top box, and I think this is also on the 9s. I don't know what else this is on, but this type of box is for like both of those. And man, like I tell y'all a lot, I get chills when I look at these shoes, but this specific pair, I really get chills because I've always wanted them, and I finally have them. But we got that normal black paper, and if you're a Jordan fan, you know by now, after I showed you this paper, what this shoe is. And let's just go ahead and, man, oh my goodness, this shoe is so hard. Like it's crazy how tough this shoe is. Let me move some stuff over here real quick so I can be ready. Let's get it out. And y'all see, we got the Concord 11. Bruh, this to me personally is probably one of the hardest Jordans. Like I personally mess with these more than my off-white ones. A lot of shoes that I have, I like these more than them, and everyone loves this shoe. Like you can't go wrong with this shoe. You can wear everything with this shoe. But let's get into some details. So on the bottom, you see we got some black patent leather down here, and it's just nice, smooth, and clean. And then we got this white fabric upper with the leather white back here on the heel, and then we got a black stitched Jordan logo. And I copped these off of my boy. He actually did a little deal for me to get them. So I got these and another pair of shoes that I'm going to be unboxing later on this week. But yeah, and then we got the 45 on the back. So this is the 2018 pair. We got the 45 on the back. And then on the bottom, you see we got the icy blue soles with the Concord purple right here. And this shoe is so nasty. Like, here was my thing about them. I always loved this shoe. I knew they were nice because I had always seen pairs of like people's pair in person, but whenever you see them in pictures and on videos, I feel like pictures and videos don't do them justice. But when you get them in hand, they're just a sick shoe. And then we also got a little carbon fiber plate right here. So they're just sick, like super nasty shoe. And let's go ahead and pull out. You see on these also, there's like, I don't know what this says right here, but there's a little Jordan logo in the middle. I don't know if y'all can see that. But pull out the inside, and then we got this little heel thing. These are usually in some shoes. And then also we have, this is one thing I like about these shoes. We got the plastic Concord purple hard caps in here to keep the toes nice and from getting creased. I like this. This is dope. I think they should start doing this with all their shoes. Just make them plastic. And yeah, I know it's probably hurting the earth, but I think they should make them plastic. This is dope. But on the inside, you got the Nike Air. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that. Try to get it close up. But you got the Nike Air in there. And just everything about this shoe, from the white fabric upper with the leather, and then the black logo, 45 on the back, and then you got the black inside lining, the white tongue without a logo, which is dope. I actually think that's pretty dope on this shoe because it just looks good. And then the patent leather, that patent leather is just so clean, and everything about this shoe is so clean. I'm extremely excited to have this shoe. Let's get the other shoe out so I can show you guys both of them. And these are nasty. Like, check these babies out. They're so tough. And I'm excited to have them. We do only have one pair of shoes today, but let's go over this shoe also. So on this shoe, everything's the same, nothing different. Got the same patent leather, same 45 on the back. Same insides. Got the little heel thing right here, Nike Air on the insoles. And then we got, one second, we got the shoe tree. I think that's what they're called. They're called shoe trees. That's really it for this shoe, man. It doesn't seem like I'm excited, but if you really know me, you know that Concord 11s was a shoe that I've always wanted. Like, even when I didn't have money and I couldn't just buy shoes, this was a shoe that I always wanted and I always wanted to try to get. So I'm extremely happy to finally have them, and it's just wild. Like, this is a shoe that I will wear. I promise you, I will wear these. Like, y'all probably gonna see me on Instagram soon. I'm gonna start reposting pictures and stuff, and you will see me in these shoes because these are tough. These are probably right now top 5 in my collection, just because like there's no way these should not be top 5. But this shoe is just sick. The colorway is nasty. That's all I got for y'all today. I do have another video coming out very soon, so stay tuned. And once again, if you haven't already, drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Talk to your boy. You know, I respond to all comments, and if you don't believe me, go check out the comment section of my last videos. I usually talk to everybody, but yeah, the giveaway is still live, so make sure you follow those steps. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like on the video, and then send me a screenshot on Instagram or Twitter. And if you don't have those, just leave a comment saying that you don't have Instagram or Twitter or any social media, letting me know. I'll put your name on the list. I do have everyone's name on the list. So you guys, everything is going to be random in the next video. What's going to happen is I'm going to have a clip of me. I'm going to put all the names on a list, chop it up, and have little slips, and I'm going to put them in a box, shake it up, put my hand in, ruffle around, and I'm going to pick someone. And then I'll go first winner. That'll be the winner of the shoes, and then second winner, gift card, and third winner, t-shirt. And that's how I'll go. I'll put it in the video so you guys can see. But that's all I got for you guys today. Make sure you enter the giveaway. You don't want to miss out. I have whatever shoe you put up there, you're probably going to get. Whatever shoe you leave in the comment section, you're probably going to get. So whoever wins, I'll talk with you. We'll make sure everything works out, get your size, get what you want. But as always, man, y'all know I stay dripped. It's your boy Joneses. I appreciate you all. Thank you for 300 subs, and I'm out.
Yeah. Now I know. Already fucking just met her. Now my phone going off on the dresser. She like, damn, Tyler, you must be special. I'm like, no, someone just wants some pressure. So I'm bagging it, serving that pressure. In a photo, I don't need no extras. Buy your dollar and don't bring no extras. Not really, you don't wanna test us. Only inside myself I invested. Never in a bitch, except for some time and she still thinking no songs so special. So I'm guessing she ain't get the message. Now hella hoes sending me messages. They beg me to come and have sex again. Never have to ask for no sex again. So fuck it, I'm charged up like Tesla. Just check it, this sounds impressive. When I step out the freshest. Give me your hoe, I bet I neglect it. Be the guts and then I get to driving. Cause I came a long way from the stepping. Sorry, not a long way from the flexing. Out on my way to go get the checks in. Then on my way to go get a necklace. Out of my way to go be the bestest. You can hear it, I'm made for this shit. I got expensive taste.